Welcome to GT EduHub students. In this video, I will solve the questions of exercise 25C of Selena Publishers ICSE 10. First question is from exercise 25C. First question is, a bag contains 3 red balls, 4 black balls and 1 yellow ball. All the balls being identical in shape and size, if one ball is taken out of the bag without looking into it, find the probability that the ball is yellow. So first of all, students, we will find total outcomes. Total outcomes will be 3 plus 4 plus 1, 8, and we have to find probability of yellow ball. So our formula is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So yellow ball is only 1, so required probability will be 1 upon 8. This is our answer. Now its second part is we have to find the probability of red ball. There are 3 red balls and total balls are 8, so probability of red ball is 3 by 8. Next part is probability of not yellow. Probability of not yellow means the ball may be red or blue, black but not yellow. So probability of not yellow, 3 plus 4. These are not yellow. 3 plus 4 upon 8. That is 7 upon 8. We will count the number of red and black balls. 3 plus 4, 7. So 7 upon 8. Next, probability of neither yellow nor red. Probability of neither yellow nor red, it means we have to find probability of blue ball. It's not black, it's blue. Probability of blue ball. So there are 4 blue balls, so 4 upon 8, that is 1 by 2 is the required probability. This was question number 1. Now I will discuss question number 2. A dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 2? A number greater than 2. So our favorable outcomes are, number greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is number of favorable outcomes is 4. So total outcomes, when we throw single dice, number of total outcomes is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So required probability is 4 upon 6. That is 2 upon 3. This is our answer. This is the probability of, required probability of greater than 2. This is our first part. Now second part is probability of less than or equal to 2. Probability of less than or equal to 2. In this case, our favorable outcomes will be 1 and 2. That is 2. So favorable outcomes 2, total outcomes 6. So the required probability is 1 upon 3. This is our answer. Now we will do question number 3. From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn is a face card. So total number of cards 52 and number of face cards. When we talk about face cards, it means king, queen and jack. There are 3 cards in each suit. 4 types of suits are there. So total number of face cards 12. So required probability is 12 upon 52. That is 4 से divide करेंगे 3 upon 13. This is your answer for the first part. We have 4 suits: diamond, heart, club and spade. These are red cards and these cards are black. So 13 cards of each suit are there in a well shuffled deck of cards. Second is not a face card. Not a face card. We have to find probability of not a face card. So if we know the probability of having a face card is 3/13, then probability of not a face card is 1 minus probability of happening an event. That is 1 minus 3/13. अगर हमें किसी चीज़ की probability पता है और उसके ना होने की probability find करनी है, then we will subtract it from 1. So take LCM 13. 13 minus 3, it will be 10/13. This is your second answer. Now we will do third part. Probability of queen of black color. Probability of queen of black color. We know that there are two types of black cards, spade and club. So there will be 2 black queens. So 2/52, that is 1/13 is the required probability. Now we will do question number 4. We have to find the probability of a card number with number 5 or 6. We know that there are 4 cards of number 5 and 4 cards of number 6. So total number of favorable outcomes is 8. So probability will be 8/52, that is 2/30. Now we will do question number, it's question number 3 and its 5th part we will do now. We have to find probability of a card with number less than 8. Probability of a card with number less than 8. So students, our favorable outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. No, 1 will not be there because we don't have card with number 1 in the deck. So favorable outcomes will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cards and such 6 cards will be present in all the 4 suits. So total number of favorable outcomes will be 24. So required probability is 24/52. Cut it by 4. 4, 6 the 24. 4, 13 the 52. So our probability is 6/13. Now we will do its 6th part. A card with number between 2 and 9. Probability of a card with number between 2 and 9. Let's list favorable outcomes first. So students, favorable outcomes will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will not include 2 and 9 because the number is between 2 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 favorable outcomes and there are 4 suits. So total number of favorable outcomes will be 24. So probability will be 24/52. So 4, 6 the 24, 4, 13 is the 52. So 6/13 is our answer. Wait students, I have to make some correction. Just check it out. In the question number 3, it will not be 1/13. We will cut it by 2. So it will be 1/26. This is our answer. Now I will do question number 4. In a match between A and B, the probability of winning of A is 0.83. What is the probability of winning of B? We have to find this. Because 2 persons are playing the match, so their probabilities are the complementary event. So probability of winning of B will be 1 minus probability of winning of A. That is 1 minus 0.83. So our answer is 0.17. This is our first part. Second part is the probability of losing a match is 0.49 for B. Probability of losing of B. It is given 0.49. And we have to find probability of winning of A. Probability of winning of A. So students, if two players are playing, and if B is losing the match, it means A is winning the match. So probability of winning of A will be equal to probability of losing of B. जितने B के मैच लूज करने के चांसेस होंगे उतने ही चांसेस A के मैच को विन करने के होंगे. So their probabilities will be same. So 0.49. Now we will do question number 5. A and B are friends. Ignoring the leap year, find the probability that both friends will have different birthdays. Probability of having different birthdays. So students, because they can't have the birthday on the same day. It means if one is having on Jan 1, the other will be having on Jan 2. If one is having on Jan 1, the other may be having for all the 364 days. तो उसका उनमें से किन्हीं भी 364 days में बर्थडे होना चाहिए. So our favorable outcomes will be 364. Total outcomes 365. So this is our answer. I will explain again. अगर A का बर्थडे Jan 1 को है तो इट मीन्स B का बर्थडे Jan 1 के अलावा बाकी बचे 364 डेज में से किसी भी दिन होना चाहिए. सो आर फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आर 364 एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ ईयर इज 365. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 364 अपॉन 365. Second part is find the probability that they are having same birthday. So having different birthday and same birthday, these are the complementary events. So अगर किसी चीज़ के होने की probability पता है तो probability of ना होने की होगी 1 में से माइनस करके. So probability of same birthday means probability of not having different birthday. So इसे find करने के लिए we will subtract probability of different birthday from 1. So taking LCM 365, our answer will be 1 upon 365. This is our final answer. Students, now I will do question number 6. A man tosses two different coins, one of rupee 2 and another of rupee 5 simultaneously. What is the probability that he gets at least one head? First of all, we will list all the probable outcomes. When two coins are tossed, then possible outcomes are there may be head on both the coins, there may be tails on both the coins, there may be head on first and tail on second, or tail on second and first and head on second. Means we have total outcomes, total possible outcomes are 4. Now we have to find probability of at least one head. So favorable outcomes for at least one head will be favorable outcomes of at least one head. At least one head means we must have at least one head or more than one head. So we can have two heads, we can have one head here and we can have one head here. So at least one head means एक या एक से ज़्यादा head. So ये हमारे favorable outcomes हो गए. 3. So probability of at least one head will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes, that is 3/4. This is our answer for the first part. Now we will do second part. What is the probability of at most one head? Probability of at most one head. So first of all we will list favorable outcomes for at most one head. Students, at most one head means either no head or one head. Either no head or one head. So हमारे outcomes होंगे tail because no head here or one head. HT and TH. That is total 3. So probability of at most one head will be favorable outcome upon total outcome. That is 3 upon total outcomes 4. So 3/4 will be our final answer. Students, now I will solve question number 7. A box contains 7 red balls, 8 green balls and 5 white balls. A ball is drawn at random from box. Find the probability that the ball is white. So first of all, total number of balls. Total number of balls will be 7 plus 8 plus 5. 20 balls. Now we will find probability of white ball. So white balls are 5 in number, total balls are 20. So probability will be 5 upon 20, that is 1/4. Now we will do second question. Probability of neither red nor white. Neither red nor white means we have to find probability of neither red nor white means probability of green ball. So number of green balls is 8 and total balls are 20. So 4 से cut करेंगे. So you get 2/5. This is your answer. Now we will do question number 8. Question number 8 is all the 3 face cards of the spades are removed. 3 face cards of spades removed. A card is then drawn at random from the remaining pack. So first of all, we will make use of this information. 3 face cards of spades are removed. It means number of face cards left. Number of face cards left. टोटल कार्ड्स थे हमारे पास, फेस कार्ड होते हैं टोटल 12, उसमें से 3 स्पेड के रिमूव कर दिए तो बाकी बचे 9 कार्ड्स. नो वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ वेट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए ब्लैक फेस कार्ड. So as 3 face cards of spades are removed, therefore number of black face cards left equal to 6 minus 3, 3. कैसे students, we have 2 types of suits. This is club and this is spade. King, queen, jack, king, queen, jack. So 3 face cards of spade and 3 of club. Total 6 cards are there. These 3 cards have been removed. So remaining face cards, number of black face cards is 3. Now we will find total number of cards. As we know, there are total 52 cards in a deck, but 3 cards have been removed. So remaining cards will be 52 minus 3, that is 49 for our this experiment. Now we will find probability of a black face card. Probability of a black face card. So favorable outcomes are 3. Total number of possible outcomes 49. So probability is 3/49. Now second question is probability of a queen. You know there are 4 types of queens. 1 for heart, 1 for diamond, 1 for spade and 1 for club. स्पेड की क्वीन हमने रिमूव कर दिया, फेस कार्ड रिमूव कर दिया. सो देर आर ओनली 3 क्वींस लेफ्ट. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ क्वीन इज 3 अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स लेफ्ट 49. सो 3 अपॉन 49. नाउ द थर्ड पार्ट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ ब्लैक कार्ड. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ ब्लैक कार्ड. 2 types of black cards are there. एक होते हैं हमारे स्पेड के और एक होते हैं क्लब के, 13 स्पेड के और 13 क्लब कार्ड्स। तो टोटल 26 ब्लैक कार्ड्स होते हैं हमारे डेक में। 3 ब्लैक कार्ड्स, चाहे फेस कार्ड्स हैं या जो भी है, हमने 3 कार्ड्स रिमूव किए ब्लैक, तो रिमेनिंग ब्लैक कार्ड्स बचे हमारे पास 23। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लैक कार्ड्स विल बी 23 अपॉन total number of cards left 49. So 23 upon 49 is our final answer. Question number 9. In a musical chairs game, a person has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 40 seconds after its start. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first 15 seconds? So students, total number of outcomes 40 seconds and the total number of outcomes will be 40, and the person is asked to stop playing the music at any time. What is probability music will stop within first 15 seconds? So favorable outcomes हो गए 15, 1 2 3 4 5 up to 15 second, that is 15. So required probability will be 15 upon 40. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So 3/8 is our answer. Now we will do question number 10. In a bundle of 50 shirts, 44 shirts are good and 4 have minor defects and 2 have major defects. What is the probability that it is acceptable to a trader who accepts only a good shirt? So first of all, we will write the data. Total number of shirts, it is 50. Good shirts 44. Minor defect shirts with minor defect 4, and with major defects 2. So we will do the first question. What is the probability that it is acceptable to a trader who accepts only a good shirt? So we have to find probability of a good shirt. So good shirts are 44 and total number of shirts is 50. So 44 upon 50. 2 से कट करेंगे, 2 upon 25. This is our final answer. Now the second part is, what is the probability that it is acceptable to a trader who rejects only a shirt with major defects? Second part is, it is acceptable to trader who rejects only a shirt with major defects. Means he will accept the shirt, all those shirts which are good and which have minor defects. So favorable outcomes will be good shirts हैं 44 और minor defects के साथ है 4. So favorable outcomes 48. So probability of accepting by trader, second part है जो probability of accepting by trader will be 48 upon total number of shirts कितनी है 50. So 2 से कट करेंगे, 24 upon 25 will be our final answer. So students, we will do question number 11. 2 dice are thrown at same time. Find the probability that the sum of 2 numbers appearing on the top of dice is 8. So our favorable outcomes will be 2,6. मतलब sum 8 होना चाहिए. तो 2,6, 3,5, 4,4, 5,3 and 6,2. These can be the favorable outcomes. So total favorable outcomes are 5. So probability of getting sum of 8 will be 5 upon 36. Why? Because whenever 2 dice are thrown, जब भी हम 2 dice throw करते हैं, 2 dice throw होगी तो एक डाइस थ्रो पे हमारे होते हैं 6 फेवरेबल टोटल आउटकम्स, और 2 डाइस थ्रो किए तो 6 स्क्वायर, दैट इज 36 विल बी द number of total outcomes. So our probability is 5 upon 36. This is our first answer. Now second is, find the probability that the sum of 2 numbers appearing on the dice is 13. सो 13 है स्टूडेंट्स, वी नो दैट हर एक डाइस पे मैक्सिमम जो है, अगर हम 2 डाइस थ्रो करते हैं हर एक डाइस पे मैक्सिमम 6 नंबर आ सकता है. ये हो सकता है कि दोनों डाइस पे 6 और 6 आए, तो 6 + 6 होता है 12. So it means it is not possible to have the sum of 13 when we throw 2 dice. So the probability of having 13 on the top as the sum of digits, sum of numbers is not possible. So probability of having sum of 13, क्योंकि 13 नहीं आ सकता इसलिए favorable outcomes 0, total number of outcomes 36. So probability is 0. This is our second answer. Now third, probability of less than or equal to 12, less than or equal to 12. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी हम किसी डाइस को थ्रो करेंगे तो हमारे फर्स्ट डाइस पे मैक्सिमम 1 2 3 4 5 6 हो सकता है और दूसरे डाइस पे भी 1 2 3 4 5 6 हो सकता है. मतलब मैक्सिमम जो है लास्ट एट द मैक्सिमम सम जो है वो 12 होगा या 12 से कम होगा. सो इट मीन्स हमारे जो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स हैं दे विल बी 36 एंड टोटल आउटकम्स भी है 36. इस तरह से देखो ना, अगर हम डाई थ्रो करते हैं या 1,1 होगा, 1,2, 1,3, 1,4, 1,5 और 1,6. ऐसे ही 2,1, 2,2 अप टू 2,6 एंड सेम 3 1 से 3 6, 4 1 से लेके अप टू लास्ट होगा 4 6, फिर 5 1 से लास्ट होगा 5 6, या फिर 6 1 से हमारा लास्ट होगा 6 6. मतलब ये सारे हमारे पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हो गए, बिकॉज इन ईच केस द सम विल बी आइदर 12 और लेस देन 12. सो टोटल आउटकम 36 है, फेवरेबल भी 36 होंगे. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 36/36, दैट इज 1. So this was our third part. Now question number 12. Which of the following cannot be probability of an event? तो हमें कुछ probabilities दी है, हमने फाइंड करना है कि ये किसी इवेंट की probability हो सकती है या नहीं. सबसे पहले हमें रेंज ऑफ probability पता होनी चाहिए. स्टूडेंट्स, रेंज ऑफ probability मीन्स किसी भी थिंग की जो probability है किसी भी इवेंट की, that lies between 0 to 1. means probability of any event can lie between 0 to 1. या तो वो इवेंट की पॉसिबिलिटी 0 होगी, इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट होगी, या फिर एट द मैक्स 1 होगी. दैट इज़ फॉर अ श्योर इवेंट. तो जो भी हमें वैल्यूज़ दी हैं अगर वो इस रेंज में आ रही हैं तो हम आंसर लिखेंगे येस. अगर इस रेंज से बाहर है वी विल राइट नो. सो वी विल डू फर्स्ट पार्ट 3/7. 3/7 को अगर हम डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करें तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 0.42 समथिंग. सो 0.42 लाइज बिटवीन 0 and 1. सो हम लिखेंगे येस पॉसिबल. सेकेंड, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट पॉसिबल है तो वी विल राइट हेयर पॉसिबल लिखो आप, पॉसिबल. Second is 0.82. Again it lies between 0 to 1. So this is possible. Third part check करेंगे. It is 37%. 37% को we can write 37/100. So 0.37. Again it lies between 0 to 1. So it can be the probability of an event. So fourth is -2.4. -2.4 is less than 0, so it can't be the probability of any event. So आंसर आएगा not possible. हमें क्वेश्चन में पूछा था which of the following cannot be the probability of an event. तो हम आंसर लिखेंगे -2.4 can't be probability of an event.